So I'm recording.
Yo te soy tomando y yo lo sé.
Where are we going here?
Yo no sé.
We're in the D train. I mean B. Oh, there is a B train. I mean D. Do you see it? Nice. Here is a B train that we just take. We just take the B train and the D's first because it's our favorite. Then the B. Okay. Yeah, for real.
Un huérfano.
¿Qué millonario más raro es?
Un gringo loco.
Chris,
Eso es un gringo loco.
amarrate los zapatos. ¿Tú no te lo sabes amarrar ahí?
Él no queda. So, there's nothing. It's not recording. This is my family. If you see this guy who has a green and white headphones, that's not mine. The rest of my family, and if you see those bags, those aren't mine. If you see this family over here, except for that green guy, that's my family. Do you just heard that? That was like a car. And here's an old man. So,
Yamil, ven acá.
yeah. Okay. What? This is heavy. Ow, ow, ow. Ow. Honey?
Mejor ven tú por aquí.
Wait.
No, David.
Ay, mira.
If you hear that, then what you... Okay? If you could hear me, and if you hear that, that's the feature that I just showed you, okay? Don't freaking scared out of me. So, let's push this.
Mente.
Yeah, we just got through. Honey? Mama?
Todavía no hemos bajado.
Oh. Okay.
Dang it.
No.
Chris,
Here.
ayúdalo.
No. We're in the cave thing, right?
We're in the tunnel.
Yep, we're in the tunnel. Let me carry that. I will open the door. Oh, never mind. Oh my God, how come we just get here? We're almost at our grandma's house. Bye, me and my. Bye, me and my guy. So,
You always buy us everything.
we will have a little bit continue, then I could stop recording. You're doing the video? How was?
Guys.
So guys,
To get the bit.
I think that's enough for our video. Okay?
They don't see you.
I hope this is enough for our video.
Wait.
I hope this is enough for our video. Bye.